Hey, to enable game mode on your OPPO Enco Free 2 earbuds, first on the Hey Melody application you have to be sure that on the earbud controls you have enabled this function, that on the triple tap you switch on the left or the right earbud on the game mode. So that's how it looks. And now when you want to enable this function, you will have to grab one of the earbud, for example this one, and tap 3 times right here, quickly. And now you will hear in your earbud, like 1 or 2 seconds delay, the voice notification that you are in the game mode and it's turned on. That's also called the low latency mode. Now when you triple tap one more time, you are going to turn it off. One more time. Yeah, right now it is turned off. And that's how it looks. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you on the next one.